Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to remove emoji from a photo only with the CapCut application. First thing we have to do, open our CapCut application, and right after that, since I want to remove the emoji from the photo, you need to take a look on these outlines right here and just go visit your photo editor. And this photo editor, you just need to pick the picture that containing the emoji that you want to remove, and here I already get one. So this is the picture and this is the emoji that I've got on the picture, and let's just remove this right away. To remove this, you just need to take a look on this button features, and we can use one of the features that really can help us with this. Go click the shades. The shapes, and after that you just need to make sure that you are stay in the shapes part, and you just need to find the circles, this one. So you just need to click them, and after that we just need to go click style before you click done, and go click this color picker, and now you just need to pick the color that similar with the background of this picture to make the shapes camouflage with the background. Okay, whenever you're done, now you just need to drag the shapes into the specific area that you want to put the shape and to cover the emoji. And if you have a difficulties to find the best colors for it, you just need to adjusting the colors again by go click the color picker and just pick the color so that until you got the best match color with the background. Whenever you're done, just go click this checklist button and you are done. So that is the way, guys, how to remove the emoji from the picture with only CapCut application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next tutorial.